Meteorologist Nick Bannin joining us now. Weekend is here. How are we looking?
Hey, not too bad, honestly. We've got rain chances both days, but so much of the weekend's going to be dry. I still want you to get out and enjoy what is not going to be that hot of a weekend compared to what may be returning again next week. Here's how it looks from our Austonian weather camera this evening, looking north under a partly to mostly cloudy sky, but also a mostly dry sky as well. On clouds and radar, the rain is rather limited and it's fairly light, confined to parts of Milam County. We've also had a few sprinkles in portions of Caldwell and Fayette counties. We've also got a storm just east of Fayette County, but that is weakening on its approach westward, and we still expect rain coverage and intensity will keep weakening through the night. We'll maintain a low rain chance here for the next few hours, though. Remember that area of low pressure developing in the Gulf that had the potential to become a tropical depression, although the odds were already and always pretty low. Well, those odds are now non-existent, dropping down to 0 here from the National Hurricane Center. As this is now moving inland, the chances of development and strengthening just not going to happen. But the moisture is there, still going to give us some rounds of showers and a few thunderstorms. Tomorrow morning, we'll start off with some clouds, some breaks of sun here and there tomorrow. Generally speaking, the morning is pretty dry, not necessarily completely, but mostly. Then we go into the afternoon and the opportunity for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms starts to go up. We'll have a lot of clouds, a little sun, temperatures in the low 90s here tomorrow. And then rain chances start to drop off as we get into tomorrow evening and night. Then we go into your Sunday, starting with a lot of clouds again. There'll be a little sun here and there. And then as we go into the afternoon, a few spotty showers or a thunderstorm. Rain chances are even lower, though, on Sunday than Saturday. And the rain chances on Saturday aren't that high. I think many areas don't get any rain, but say no rain up to about 1/10 of an inch of rain expected from the metro into the hill country here through Sunday. More likely to have some measurable rain in our eastern counties, 1/10 of an inch to say 1/4 of an inch. Of course, there could be some localized higher totals if we were to get a thunderstorm that sits over an area for a little bit, but most of these showers and storms should move rather quickly and not cause any issues here for us this weekend. So 30% rain chances Saturday. Those chances drop to 20% on Sunday, a lot of the time dry. 92 Saturday, 94 on Sunday. Enjoy these low to mid 90s because we're seeing some signs of the heat coming back here next week. You can see that mid 90 on Monday, upper 90s Tuesday, back to triple digits Wednesday, and then the numbers come down, just slightly here Thursday and Friday toward the end of next week. Humidity actually does drop for us Monday into Tuesday, but that drier air is what's going to help allow the temperatures to get hotter. It is much easier to heat drier air than it is more humid air. So the humidity goes down, the temperatures go up. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. You can see gradually more sunshine early next week, and that's going to help temperatures go up as well. But then toward the end of the week, the clouds start to come back, and with that, a very low rain chance by Friday. Well, it is time to start stocking up on fans or funds to help give relief to Central Texans who don't have or can't afford to use AC. KXAN's annual Family Elder Care Summer Fan Drive is taking place next Friday, August 1st. To learn how to get involved, just visit kxan.com/simplehealth.